Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm bringing you guys another makeup tutorial. This is perfect for those of you guys who are beginners because it's going to be a quick tutorial. I'm not using a ton of products and it's really easy to achieve. I'll list the products that I use to achieve this look down in the description bar below. So let's go ahead and get started. Anytime you apply makeup, you always want to hydrate your skin, whether it's with a spray or an oil. In my case, I'm using both because I have dry skin. So I lather myself in as much hydrating products as possible. I'm also applying a hydrating foundation. I apply it with my hands for a more natural finish, and then any areas that I have streak marks, I just buff away with my makeup sponge. This next step is my favorite step. It's contouring. It just helps sculpt, define, and restructure your face, and also with a precise application, you can literally get killer cheekbones, a slimmer nose, and a really nice pout. It does wonders, and that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm giving myself a nice pout, a nice thin nose, and a smaller forehead. You can blend away any harsh edges with your makeup sponge. This next step is actually really important. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard the term baking, and that's exactly what I'm doing. This just helps my makeup look a lot more flawless. You do this if you want less creasing and you want your makeup to last a lot longer. So I always do this anytime I want long-lasting makeup. Next on the list is brows. If you guys have trouble doing your brows, outline them before you fill them in. It makes the world of a difference to see what your brows will look like before you fill them in. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to just be using two different shades. It's going to be a light brown and a dark brown. Depending on your skin tone, the light and a dark may vary. But these are the two colors that I used, and it always works perfectly and beautifully for my skin tone. And the lightest shade of brown, I'm focusing that all over my lid, and then the darkest brown, I'm going to concentrate that on my lid and close to my lash line. This will just help give me a nice smoky effect. I layer the dark brown until I get the smokiness that I want, and then after that I just blend it all together with a fluffy brush, and that's it. I tightline my waterline upper and lower with a black kohl pencil to really make my eyes stand out. Then I'm going to wing my eyeliner. I'm doing a very nice cat wing. I'm going to keep the eyeliner really close to the base of my lash line. If you guys have a hard time using a liquid liner with a felt tip or a brush, then you can definitely opt out and try creating it with a kohl pencil. You always want to make sure to set your under eyes if you're doing a black kohl pencil because you don't want it to be running. If you're a fan of big sultry eyes, then you might want to smoke out your bottom lash line. I'm using the two shades of brown that I used on my lid. After we are done with the eyes, we can wipe away the powder from all over our face and start the bronzing process. Bronzing is an important part of the whole makeup application because that is what's going to give you a nice sun-kissed glow. It also just adds a little bit of warmth and also helps define those contour areas of your face. And then for that glow, this is really what's going to help you glow, is a little bit of highlight. You want to add this to the areas of your face that you want to be glowy and dewy, and that's going to be your cheeks, and then your nose, down the bridge of your nose, on the tip of your nose, and that's usually only the areas where I place it. And then now I'm just going to move on to my lips. I always like to use a darker shade of brown for my lips to help give the illusion of a nice pout. I want to keep this look very natural, so that's why I'm going with a very nice natural lip color. It's a coralish pink. It's not too harsh. It goes really well with the brown lip liner that I chose, and I'm just dabbing this color on because it's really pigmented. I don't want a lot of color. I just want a flush of pink, so that's why I'm just dabbing it on and, you know, just rubbing and smacking my lips together, I guess you could say. And for the finishing touch, I'm just adding some lashes. These are just wispy lashes, really nice, really natural, and that's basically it, guys. I try to keep this makeup tutorial under 5 minutes, and that is what I did. Thumbs up if you guys want more short makeup tutorials like these. Don't forget to comment below if you guys like this video and what was your favorite part about it, and don't forget to hit that notifications bell if you guys haven't already, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, my loves.